Buying these. I don't eat the whole thing though, so don't get it wrong. About this much? Baby. When I say the next 5-10 minutes about to go down, I'm gonna eat this chocolate. And drink my little drink. I'll see y'all in a minute. Good morning y'all. Hey y'all, it's DeeDee. Welcome to another vlog. If this is your first time tuning in, go ahead and click the subscribe button. For all my return subscribers, thank you. So I can't really look right into the camera because I'm driving, but I think I know where my turn is. I'm on my way to get my hair done. Okay, it's time. I get my hair done once a month. So once a month I get a silk press. That'll just make it easier. I get a silk press every month. I don't do anything to my hair after that. I ain't curling it. I ain't re-straightening it. If it mess up, child, it just mess up. I don't put a lot of heat on my hair like that. Wait a minute, y'all. Am I about to miss my turn? No. So yeah, I'm on my way to get my hair done because Easter is this Sunday and I'm still, let me slow down. I'm still getting packages in and trying to figure out what we're gonna wear for Easter. The colors are royal blue and white. It's supposed to rain the Saturday before Easter, and then on Easter it's supposed to get cooler. So that's kind of throwing me off, but I'm still receiving stuff from I think I ordered a lot of stuff from Amazon. So I think Adrian's got 2 shirts that came in or that are coming in today. I don't know, I'll just handle that later, but I just wanted to pop on here right quick and just say, hey, I'm excited to be vlogging. I actually love vlogging. I really would like to do this, like, you know, for real, but I just feel like my audience, I have a very tight-knit audience, but my audience is small, you know, like I wish I could grow my audience. I got about 100, maybe 150, 250 like solid people. But it's like, I need y'all to comment on my videos. When you comment on the video, that is engagement, and then that pushes the video. That prompts YouTube to push the video out. Yeah, I really hope I haven't missed my turn while I'm sitting up here chatting. Oh no, I haven't. It prompts YouTube to show the video to more people that will possibly click on it. So that's why I be telling y'all to comment on the video. But anyways, that's what I had to say. Something else I had to say, but child, this perimenopause just be taking my memory out slowly but surely. But my hairstylist ended up pushing my appointment back 30 minutes, like an hour before I came over here. So I got a couple of minutes to do random things. So I think I'm about to edit a video. Probably like a, what is it called? Like a reel or something like that. And then I'll just go in and get my hair done. So I'll be back. I'm back. Check out this hair. I got curls at the bottom and they're soft. Sometimes they'd be a little harder, but this time she did them softer and I absolutely love I don't know how she be getting my hair this straight. But anyways, I love it. So I'm off to work. She was running behind, so now I gotta try to grab something quick, which I don't know what I'm gonna get. Grab something quick on the way probably and go to work. Oh my God, it's so hot. Cam, you gonna say hey? All right, now we gotta go pick up Callie and head on to the house. Y'all, I am so stressed at work. I don't know if I said this, but work is like stressful. There are not enough hours in the day to finish everything that I'm working on. And yeah, I just feel like I'm just going. And then on the days where I have to pick up the kids, I feel like those days I'm like rushing, that I have to get home and do stuff and then make up time, like if it's something that I didn't get a chance to complete, which is probably what I'm gonna have to do today. Adrian should be home this evening though. That will help. He wasn't here all yesterday, so I had to do everything by myself, but he should be here this evening, so I'll probably just feed him and then wait until he gets home so he can give him a bath. That way I can, you know, do some stuff that I need to do. But yeah, we're on our way to pick up Callie girl and then head to the house. It's already getting hot. It like went from being cold to hot. I don't understand this weather. I really don't. Listen, one thing about Cam, baby, is my baby gonna take a nap and fall asleep no matter where we are. Anyways, I'm here to get Callie, so let me go get big girl. Callie! Hey girl.
I can't wait.
You can't what?
I can't wake up.
You can't wake up. You're not asleep.
No, I saw Cam.
Yeah, Cam is asleep. We're gonna wake Cam up later. Did you have a good day today?
Yeah.
A really good day?
Yeah.
Okay, well let's go then, girl. So Callie wants an apple. Oops, apple. Why is the fruit always feeling so unclean? But anyway, she wants an apple, so I'm gonna cook her up an apple for a snack. Cam is asleep, so I'm gonna let him sleep for probably about an hour. And then I'll probably wake him up. It's 5:04. I'll wake him up, and which I probably should let him sleep an hour, but he didn't sleep well last night, so then I'll probably just let them go ahead and eat. Adrian did cook. I don't know what he cooked. Let me see. Okay, it looked like he cooked hamburger steak and greens. So yeah, I'll let them eat. And I'm probably just gonna eat some soup that I had from last night. Okay, so I got some packages to open. I think it's just a couple, but let me get them. Yeah, every time I buy something on TikTok shop, it be late at night. Every time. Every single time. Yep, TikTok shop. Okay. Oh, this is the can y'all see that? Yeah. This is a mic. Yeah. I think it's the ones that work in your phone. Yeah, so this is the Kakiho. Child, I don't know. Wireless microphone. I've heard good things about it. And it's compatible with iPhone and with Apple Android. So test that out. Oh, whatever. Oh, okay. So this is one of the shirts that I picked out for Adrian. Ooh. So I got the same shirt, but I got it in 2 different sizes. So we're just gonna open this one. I got an extra large and an extra large. I don't know which one is gonna fit, but I don't want it to be too big. The vision that I have for him in the shirt is it kind of fitting, you know, not tight, but just fitting. So he could just wear this with some khakis. So let's see. Okay, I like it. Actually think you'll probably be able to wear this one. And then it's made like this at the end. I think it'll go with the other stuff. Let me go get it. Yeah, this was my blue. And then his blue. I feel like they go. I think mine looks like it's a little bit more vibrant, but this is still good too. So I think it's gonna work. So I'm gonna have him try this on today or tomorrow because I need to know what. I think the extra large is probably gonna work. This is a shirt for Cam. I was trying to find him a blue polo shirt with that had like a white stripe in it. I wanted him and Adrian to have the same exact shirt, but they didn't have the shirt in Adrian's size. And Cam already has one of these shirts, but it's gotten too small. So this is perfect. This is the perfect color blue. So this is the one that's gonna work for Cam. I ordered this on TikTok shop. I have seen a lot of people using it. I don't know how you pronounce it. Y'all good, you're good. I don't know. But anyway, it's a walking pad treadmill, and I got the pink one. Okay, so we have greens, hamburger steak. I'm probably gonna put some fruit right here, but I think I'm gonna break the hamburger steak up and put just a little bit of barbecue sauce on it. And boom, these are the plates. The, what I say, hamburger steak, I put a little bit of barbecue sauce on it. We usually get the, what's the black man name? Sweet Baby Ray's. Yeah, I like that one, which I didn't like Sweet Baby Ray's at first, but now I do. But Adrian got this one, and for some reason I don't like it. I don't even know if we've ever had it before. We probably have, but I ain't got used to Sweet Baby Ray's. But anyway, hamburger steak, peaches, and greens. This is Cam's plate. Callie's pretty much look the same. I just broke her meat up a little smaller. So while they eat this, I think I'm gonna have me a little drink because I'm tired. I feel stressed. Like I said, I got a lot going on at work. So I'm gonna let them eat, and Mama gonna sip. Y'all, come on, come eat. Okay. So this is what I'm going to be drinking. I forgot all about this. I'm not a drinker, so I don't really, know what's good, what's not good. But I like the pre-made stuff because all I gotta do is pour it. Or sometimes when it's too strong, add a little water. But I remember this one being perfect. Like it's not too strong for me. It's perfect. I don't have to add no water to it. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on this ice. Cause Mama just need, she just needs to relax. You know what I'm saying? Oh, And then I'm gonna give it a little, oh, I hate to put my nails in. And then I'm gonna give it a little stir so I can get it nice and cold. That's really good. I'm telling y'all, it's good. Perfect. Okay? I'm showing it to y'all one more time. This is Rancho La Gloria ready to drink lemon drop with real lemon juice. And then for my snack, because I ain't gonna lie, my period about to come. And I be buying these. I don't eat the whole thing though, so don't get it wrong. About this much. Baby. When I say the next 5-10 minutes about to go down, I'm gonna eat this chocolate. And drink my little drink. I'll see y'all in a minute. I'm gonna let the kids enjoy their tablets for just a little while. Adrian is on his way home. I have clothes to fold. I washed Callie's clothes last night. They destroyed the little house that they made with the Lego child. I don't even care. At this point, I'm kind of buzzing from the drink, so I could care less. I'm about to wash the dishes and wait on Adrian to get here so he can give him a bath. And that was a big mistake. I love chocolate with almonds. And I wanted that, and I wanted a drink. And eating chocolate and then drinking the lemon drop was gross. Like, I literally had to finish eating my chocolate, drink some water, eat like a few, what are they called? A few salt and vinegar chips to clear my palate to drink the rest of my drink. The two separately, amazing. The two together, gross. I hated it. Kim, are you okay? Okay. Callie, don't start showing out now. Go back and get on your tablet. Play what? What you say?
Did you make it right?
I actually forgot about the rice. You like me? Thank you.
You forgot about the 8 greens instead?
Yeah, they agree. Both of them.
Well, I feel like they would, but I ain't know if we want to. Yeah.
They didn't give me any pushback. I was nervous that they weren't going to eat the hamburger steak. I put a little of that barbecue sauce on it. I don't really think I like that barbecue sauce.
I know, and I went to the store.
But it tastes different to me. It don't taste the same. Like, I know we haven't had it in a while because we eat Sweet Baby Ray's, but I was like, this not good. It was almost kind of tangy. Callie, can you please get out of my shoes? Thank you very much. Signed, your mother. You even got this one not even on the right foot. Get out of my shoes, girl. Now.
No.
Now.
No.
You want the tub? Let me smell you. You can get mama a hug. Oh, this has been like the longest day. So I just got out the shower. I probably got a drop of this left. This is the Canvas Beauty Body Glaze and Lavender Tea Cookie. Yeah. It probably ain't gonna look like it's nothing in there, but it's something in here, okay? As much as these cost, baby, I'm gonna get all of this out of here. Do you hear me? Now, oh Lord, I do feel like there was a push where they were going viral and all that, but lately, I don't think that is the case. And I know I saw her retire a lot of the scents, which I personally thought she was coming out with too many scents anyway, but they ain't none of my business. I was like, girl, you just jumping out there. I feel like maybe 20 cents would have been fine. You look up and they had like 50 cents, but I do like that one. I probably would. I have a lot of different ones that I like. I might do a video. You can't really count on what I'm talking about at this point because I'm tired. But I purchased this on a whim. It's Gold Bond Eczema Relief Skin Protecting Cream with, I don't know what that is, some type of oatmeal. But anyways, I got this for the kids, and then I tried it, and I like it on myself because for me, these are good for shine. The body glazes are good for shine, and the scent, they smell good. But as far as thickness, they're not thick. And I need something, because I have very dry skin, especially on my legs. I need something to, get between the cracks and the crevices. So I've been putting this on at night on my legs. And so I have to do my skincare. But I'm only gonna use 4 products tonight. So I'm gonna use this Tier. I can get it open. Tier milk ampoule. I think that's what it's called. Which is pretty much all gone. This is my serum. Uh-oh. Girl, let me save some of that because it's almost gone. You see it? The lighting. There we go. The consistency. Yeah. Gonna give me a shine. Actually broke my light. Right before I turn this on. So if the lighting is not giving, my apologies. So I'm gonna do that. And I made a mess with this. A big mess, but we're gonna work it out. And I'm gonna do an eye cream, just a little bit, because sometimes when I put this on, it actually burns. So I don't know if I'm going up too high. This is the Lancome Regenerate. What? Renergy. Child, I don't know. I don't think it's called Regenerate though. So don't quote me on that, but put this under my eyes. Okay. And then, I don't like the way this is looking. I should have had it up here. That would have... Okay, this is so much better. So anyways, so I put the eye cream on, and then I'm going to go in with the Fresh Black Tea Firming Corset Cream. It's supposed to have retinol in it and tighten the skin up, you know, for us women over 40. So I have been using this, and I actually like it. I feel like it does moisturize my skin. I haven't been keeping track of progress as far as, you know, the firmness of my skin, because my problem area is like mostly here, and I have these deep lines right here. But I love the texture of it, and I love thick skin products. I'm a thick skin product girly through and through. So that's what the skin is giving tonight. So while I'm letting that sit in, I usually do Aquaphor on my lips, but I don't have any Aquaphor. All I have is Vaseline. So I'm gonna just throw that on there like this real quick and add a little oil, because I like to be a greasy girl. This is a Canvas Rose Glow facial oil. I put just a little bit of that. Add it in my skin. Girl, we are good to go. I'm gonna leave my hair like this. Even though I just got it done, I'll pin curl it, but I'm not gonna pin curl it right now because I'm tired and I gotta get the kids to bed, and I still have to do a little bit of work tonight, so.
Okay. Amen.
Amen. You gotta get your milk, big girl. Yeah, get your milk so you can lay down and drink it, okay? I am so very tired. I just went downstairs, got my files, put my glasses back on. It is 10:45. I'm hoping that I can be done doing everything that I need to do by 12 a.m. The kids are asleep. Adrian is trying to go to sleep. Hopefully he can go to bed. He has to wake up at 1:30 in the morning and leave again for work. And he literally just went and laid down. He was up here talking to me. So yeah, I'm just trying to push through these next couple of days because I just have so much going on at work. Like, I'm so busy, so tired. Like, life is just really lifing right now. So if you made it to the end of the vlog, thank you so very much. Y'all don't know how much it means to me for y'all to support my channel. I usually do the weekend vlogs or the weekly vlogs and, you know, post them. But it was really cool doing, like, you know, a daily vlog. I actually liked it. It's probably going to be easier to edit as well. But if you could leave me a comment, I would greatly appreciate it. It really helps my channel out. But yeah, again, thank you for your support. And so until next time, talk to you guys later. Bye.